Jack Ma has lost the title as China's richest man. He was the richest dude for 2 years running, I believe, 2020, 2019. But, of course, came under scrutiny, trying to put that Ant Group stuff on a stock market or have the IPO there. Supposed to be many, many billions of dollars. And then came under pressure over things that he was saying. And he kind of vanished for a bit, or at least went low-key for a bit. And so I suppose there's been some sort of impact of that on his businesses. Other factors as well, obviously, but he's been knocked down the list. What is he, number 3 or 4 now? He has held the top spot for China's richest in 2020, 2019. Now he's in 4th place, behind bottled water maker Nongfu Springs Shan Shan and Tencent Holdings Ponyma and e-commerce upstart Pinduoduo, Colin Wong, the latest list showed. Look at me making my moves through that.
Good job.
I made my moves through that. Pinduoduo. I kind of like saying that now, actually. Now that I just slowed down and looked at it, I kind of like saying it. Also moving up the list into, I believe, the 5th spot is the founder of ByteDance, owner of TikTok. That's Zhang Yiming. And he broke into the top 5 global rich list with an estimated personal wealth of $54 billion. So he broke in there as well. You know, these things move around, Will.
Yeah.
He'll
shuffle.
He'll be back. He'll sort things out, shake some hands, whatever. Get back up there. But is there anything wrong with number 4? I think we're talking about a few $1 billion here, Will. I don't think we need to stress too much about it. But anyway, he was number 1 for a while.